Hey guys, I'm Allison. I'm the Pampered Wife. I love all things clean beauty on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed at any point. Subscribe, I'd love to have you. I review the PetitVour boxes every month, and this should be July's, I believe. PetitVour is a cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic, clean box that ships every month. I pay, I believe, $18 a month. How come I can't remember this all of a sudden? And I get a minimum of $50 worth of product. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in. Oh no, we are in June, but it's the end of June and this will probably go at around the beginning of July. Wow, but I really like the card. This is June's card. I think it's really pretty. Reminds me of Florida. And the other side always has every item, the dollar value, and a little description. So it looks like we got 4 things this month. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And it says your cruelty-free beauty obsession starts here. The first product is by KVoss, and I'm just gonna read from the card. It's the Heye lighter palette. Ultrafine pigments are enveloped in a buttery base for a silky blendable formula that can be used on eyes and cheeks or wherever you want an elevated glow. I actually have the KVoss highlighter on right now. I've been out and about. Yeah, you can see it. I put this on a few hours ago. So this is Luminous Highlighter Palette, an eye and face palette of luminous highlighters. Comes in 3 harmonious shades which stretch the boundaries of radiance. Silk tree flower extract is known for its potent antioxidant and soothing effects on the skin, while evening primrose rejuvenates and gradually helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, good. It says to use a brush when you apply this. Now, I often use my fingers. I'm just taking it out of the box. It does have this cardboard wrapper around it to keep it, I guess, from getting damaged. It's this sleek black plastic packaging with the KVoss logo on it, and the same as the outside of the box I just took it out of. Let's go ahead and open her up. This looks really nice. It has a nice big mirror in it and 3 shades that actually I quite like. So a bronzier or warmer, cooler, and maybe neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on the back of my hand. Ooh, it sort of feels buttery. Yeah, this is nice. Velvety and buttery at the same time, if that's a thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all 3, maybe I'll do it right here. I'll figure this out, don't worry, I'll be okay. Well, they definitely are luminous. Very pretty. These totally could work on the eyes. I obviously already have eye products on. I'm gonna swatch the middle one again. That's the more cooler tone. And actually, yeah, there you see it. Depending on the angle you're at, it looks a little purpley, and otherwise it's just shimmer, which is really cool. And this one where I am actually doesn't look as white as it's looking in there. It sort of has a pink shift that I don't think I'm doing a good job showing you. I'm curious to know the name of these because I wonder if that's the highlighter. Nope, I don't have any of these. Sugar is the whiter one. This is Spice and Everything Nice. How cute is that? Well, I am excited about these. I love powder products, especially for summer. I love KVoss. The few products I've been introduced to, except for one, which was their lip gloss or a moisturizer, that one I don't really care for. Let's see what's next. You see that? Taila, Taila. Vayu Illuminating Toning Mist. I forgot to say this palette is worth $36. This Illuminating Toning Mist is worth $10. This lightweight hydrating mist infuses skin with key actives to rebalance, soothe, and purify for an energized and illuminated complexion. It is glass. Obviously, it's a spray. The directions are generously spritz over your face and neck before serum and moisturizer. Well, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and do it now anyway. The very first ingredient is Acimum Sanctum. I feel like I'm in Harry Potter saying a spell, which is Tulsi water, and then comes rose water, glycerin, which is of course hydrating, cucumber, oh, which I love, and then water, aloe, some other fruit ferment filtrate. So it looks like that was like the whole ingredient list, and it looks really good. I don't know what this Tulsi water is. I'm gonna have to look that up. I love being introduced to new ingredients. Okay, here we go. Okay, I really like the scent. It's a super fine mister. That's why I did it so many times. It's a complex scent. It's like you can smell all the things. I did get a little cucumber, and it's cooling on my face. Of course, it's water droplets or, liquid. I feel like I could use a little more on my cheeks. And these products, these spritzing products, I use them as setting sprays on top of my makeup. You don't have to use them only for underneath. You don't need a setting spray necessarily to use over your makeup. These will work just great. It is 0.34 fluid ounces. That makes a whole lot more sense. I could take this with me on a trip, or you could take it with you, and it says it's good for, I think it's 12 months. Yes, 12 months. So this is really nice. So far, 2 products I will absolutely use. Then we have the Osmia Naked Body Oil, which is worth $20. Comprised of 11 nourishing oils, this body oil naturally nourishes and heals, making it perfect for all skin types. Applied to clean and wet skin. It looks like a nice rich oil or blend of 11 oils. Let's see what it says. It has kukui oil, which is nourishing, rosehip seed oil, which is skin smoothing, and sea buckthorn, which is anti-inflammatory. Don't dry off before or after you get out of the shower, I guess, for best results or applying this. And I'm excited. I've never tried an Osmia product. Osmia, the founder, lives here in Colorado. I follow her on Instagram. She's always out and about hiking and actually gives a lot of great information about her products and skincare in general. I'm excited to try one of her products. Osmia is a really great, clean brand. The very first ingredient is steam fractionated coconut oil. Well, that's too bad. That'll alienate a lot of people, I think. A lot of people are sensitive to coconut oil, but again, this is for the body, so maybe it would be okay. Then comes jojoba oil, kukui oil, sweet almond oil, rosehip seed, blah, blah, blah. The last item is this Yuni Zenicure Rejuvenating Facial Oil, which is, I guess this is a $9 sample or travel size. It looks like, again, like a little perfume. Look at that gorgeous green. Let's see what it says. This rejuvenating facial oil helps smooth, firm, and brighten skin, made with 100% stress relieving natural oils. It calms skin to soothe tension and stress. Okay, let me get my handy dandy magnifier. First ingredient, same as the Osmia oil. It's basically fractionated coconut oil. It is caprylic triglyceride. And then comes avocado oil, sweet almond oil, ylang ylang oil. Ooh, this could smell good too. Hemp seed oil, blackberry seed oil, another flower extract, a couple of flower extracts actually, patchouli oil, and then it does contain fragrance. Lanolin means, fragrance. The essential oils used are 100% natural. Well, now I gotta smell it. And it has a whole bunch of small print on here. If you have a child who can read it to you, or you are younger than me, which is 47, maybe you could read it yourself. Oh, I love this. Directions. Unscrew cap. Thank you for that. I smell the patchouli. See how you dispense a few drops. I'm not supposed to take this thing. Well, if it says unscrewed cap, you would think that I don't need to do anything special here. You don't think I need to take this thing out, do you? Yeah, I have a feeling that this is the cap, but you can't unscrew it. I unscrewed this cap. I think this thing needs to come out. Okay, well, that's annoying. Well, that's gone. If it's gonna give directions to unscrew the cap, it could at least say remove plastic stopper for the very first time you use it. That's a personal pet peeve of mine. So I'm gonna hold it to my skin and dump it. Now I smell the patchouli again. and it did sink in quickly. It's almost not like a dry oil, but yeah, it did sink in quickly. And this is for the face, so I'll give this a try. So that was everything in our box. Let's go ahead and add it all up. We have the KVoss highlighter palette for $36, the Taila Vayu Illuminating Toning Mist for $10, the Osmia Naked Body Oil for $20, and the Yuni Zenicure Rejuvenating Facial Oil for $9. $75, is that right? So it's supposed to be a $50 value, and we got a $75 value box for $18 if you do the subscription. Once again, always worth it. This box is just always worth it. I love when we get makeup, especially because that's kind of the thing that I love, and I will definitely use this palette on my face and eyes. I'm actually gonna have to play around with it because I'm taking a trip soon and want to know if this is the thing that I'm gonna take. I like to take like one product for everything, although I would need a blush with this. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a thumbs up. Leave comments down below. Do you get this box? Does anybody else get this box? Does anybody watch these videos? And yes, I should have powdered here. I always should powder here. I need to remember that. Anyway, happy summer. I can't believe we're already in the second half, or at least fall clothes are out in magazines. I haven't been to the mall, so I don't know about that. Anyway, enjoy your time, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the nice weather and warmth. And in the meantime, I hope you find some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.